If you observe nature, you will notice that all of life is involved in a continuous process that promotes growth and self-renewal. This process is carried out in 4 phases: purify, nourish, utilize, and rest. Phase 1. Purify. Digestion and other biological processes create wastes that need to be eliminated, otherwise, you become congested, sluggish, and auto-intoxicated. By eliminating wastes, you purify your body. Phase 2. Nourish. As you eliminate wastes, you create room in your body to take in new raw materials, and by consuming wholesome foods, you bring in the resources your body needs to build and repair itself. Phase 3. Utilize. If you eliminate waste sufficiently and nourish your body properly, you produce energy. This energy allows you to move and utilize your body to accomplish and create things in the physical world.
Phase 4. Rest.
Lastly, after expending energy, you need to rest and sleep. This allows your body to recuperate and recharge by reproducing new cells. These 4 phases of nature are fairly obvious when it comes to refining your physical body. As you know, that the better you eliminate waste, nourish your body, exercise, and rest, the healthier your body will be and the better it will perform. We can then say that the 4 phases are essential for your existence. Should any phase be carelessly executed, your overall physical wellness and balance will be compromised, causing your body to be stressed and hurt. Now, if you don't apply these essential 4 phases of nature to your 4 states of consciousness, then inevitably you will produce psychological stress, which will cause disarray, confusion, lack of focus, and confidence. Furthermore, your relationships will deteriorate, happiness and peace will fade away, and finally, a variety of illnesses will be born. Yes, your psychological stress is your biggest enemy. It is at most important then to apply the 4 phases of nature to your 4 states of awareness to be able to keep your entire being in harmony. Now, let's explore and describe these 4 states of awareness. Physical state of consciousness is the awareness of your physical body and environment. It is also the animating force that articulates your body and allows you to move and take action, and thus, effect change in the physical world. Emotional state of consciousness is the awareness of the emotions or feelings that you psychologically experience. It is how you feel at any given moment. Example: happy, sad, angry, fearful, excited, etc. Mental state of consciousness can function in all 3 states of time: past, present, and future. It functions in the past through memories, in the present by being aware of what is happening in the here and now, and in the future by dreaming, envisioning, and planning for what may happen. Spiritual state of consciousness, which is the awareness of your morals, values, philosophy, and life beyond yourself. It is awareness of the big picture. Now that you observe and understand the importance of refining both your physical and your psychological being with the 4 phases of nature, then the obvious questions are: how do you purify, nourish, utilize, and rest your physical, emotional, mental, and spiritual state of your consciousness? about applying it to your relationships? Is that even possible? And if possible, how do you do that? To study and to understand your consciousness is the access to your wisdom, balance, harmony, and health. It is transformational. This process will help you reduce or eliminate the psychological restrictions, or what we call stress, that hold you back, revitalize all aspects of your being, and empower you to do and accomplish more in all areas of your life.